Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the Your Chicagoland Living Show. My name is Sophia Ojukwu, real estate broker, coach, and entrepreneur. Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about feedback. Yes, property tour feedback. This is often very neglected topic, which is getting feedback to your agent after viewing a property. Yeah, you know, when you come to a home to view it, there's so many people involved. There's the real estate broker that brought you to the home. There's the listing agent that's representing the seller. There's the seller also, and of course there's you. So the person selling the house wants to know what you thought. Your agent wants to know what you thought about the home. So after you're done with seeing the property, what we want from you as the home buyer is to give us feedback. The seller wants to know what you think about the price. Do you think the price is too high? If it is just right? They want to know what your experience was like viewing the home. What did you like about the home? What didn't you like about the home? Are you interested in buying the home? Are you going to put an offer on the home? These are all the questions that the seller wants to know. They want to know if you want to buy their house. Obviously, that's why you came, to look at it and see if you want to buy. They want to know if you want to buy it or not. And if you don't want to buy it, why? So oftentimes the real estate, the listing agent, the person representing the seller, will send a survey at the end of the visit, the end of the property tour, asking the buyer's agent to fill out a survey asking questions about the tour. So know that your agent is going to have to fill that out, and if you don't tell them what you think of the property, they won't be able to answer the questions that are being asked of the agent. And of course, the agent wants to know the feedback on that property, because that will give them a better idea of how to set your search criteria so that you'll get the types of home that you truly want. So it's very important to not go through the home and then be mum and not say anything, and then go to the next home and not say anything, and just keep going from one house to the other. No one knows what you like. They don't know what you don't like. They don't know. I mean, your agent won't be able to help you if you don't communicate with them and tell them what you like and what you don't like and what you're thinking. Okay, so I'll think about it and get back to you is not good enough. You have to let them know so that the seller knows first that you went through, that you're a serious buyer, you went through the property. Give them some feedback. Now the seller also, the feedback